If you've ever thought about a new career in healthcare, you should consider medical coding and billing. This career offers average starting salaries of about $40,000 a year, and the U.S. Department of Labor expects it to add over 41,000 new jobs in the next few years, which is growth of 22%. Medical coding and billing is also a great choice because you can gain all of the skills you'll need through an online certificate course. Our program allows you to study at your convenience and can have you career ready in a year or less. So let's talk a little bit about what you'll do in this career. As a coder, your primary job will be assigning standardized codes to all tests, treatments, and procedures in a patient's record. Medical billers then use the coded reports to collect payment from insurance providers and patients. Because you're working more behind the scenes, medical coding and billing is a great career choice if you want to work in healthcare but also stay away from the needles. Coding and billing is vital to the healthcare industry because if records aren't coded, then doctors, clinics, and hospitals won't get paid. These positions are incredibly important, but unfortunately for employers and fortunately for you, there is currently a nationwide shortage of medical coders, and over 50% of employers report having open coding positions. This means there are lots of jobs out there just waiting to be filled with certified professionals. And medical coding and billing doesn't have to be just a job to tide you over, it is a real career. Once you have the education you need to get started, you can progress to inpatient coding or specialty coding or even management positions with a little additional experience or education. Taking a certificate program in medical coding and billing is an excellent starting place for a rewarding, lifelong career. Now let's look at the type of training you'll need. To assign the right codes, you will need to understand things like medical terminology, anatomy and physiology, and even pharmacology. In our online course, we'll teach you all of these concepts, and then once you have a solid medical foundation, you'll be ready to start your actual code set training. Our AHIMA-approved online course will teach you all of the different code sets you'll use and help you gain hands-on experience with real medical records and reports, all of varying levels of difficulty. These reports have been provided to us by employers, so you'll be practicing on the same types of files that you'll be coding on the job. Before graduation, you'll learn to use industry-standard 3M encoding software, and you'll even practice coding emergency room reports, lab reports, physical therapy orders, and more. While you're gaining this experience, you'll see the importance of having an in-depth understanding of medical terminology and other medical concepts, so you can correctly assign codes. Because remember, if the codes aren't correct, people don't get paid. Working with hundreds of real medical records helps your learning experience match as closely as possible the experience you will have on the job. That way, you're ready to earn your industry credential and start working as soon as you finish the course. When you graduate, you will be prepared to sit for both the Certified Coding Associate, or CCA exam offered by AHIMA, and the Certified Professional Coder, or CPC exam offered by AAPC. Employers generally only look for one of these credentials when they're screening applicants, so by being prepared to earn both, you'll have more flexibility in your job search. The Career Step program is specifically designed to let you study at your own pace on a schedule that fits your busy life, while preparing you to get the job you've always wanted. It's easy to get started. Visit careerstep.com or call an academic advisor at 1-800-411-7073 today.